This cat actually teared up while eating. It turns out the cat was once deeply doted on by its owner. But everything changed after the owner adopted a new cat. Almost overnight, all of the owner's affection shifted to the new cat, and the old cat received less and less attention. Heartbroken, the cat even often hid under the blanket and cried. Until one morning, the owner opened the door and found a pile of toys at the doorway. It was the cat trying to exchange its favorite toys for the owner's company. Only then did the owner realize they had been neglecting the cat lately. They quickly picked it up to apologize and prepared its favorite food. Yet the cat's long-suppressed grievances still made it cry while eating, because it finally felt loved again.